Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the daily screen time limit on TikTok. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to your profile page, then tap the three lines in the top corner and open Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Time and Well-being. Here you can see how much time you spend on TikTok every day. To remove the limit, tap Screen Time, then Daily Screen Time, and turn this option off. Once this is disabled, TikTok will no longer block your usage inside the app. However, if the feature is already turned off and you still see the daily limit message, there's one more thing you need to check. Exit TikTok and open the Settings app on your phone. Look for Screen Time and then go to App Limits. If TikTok appears on this list, it means a daily limit was set directly from your phone's settings. Simply remove or delete the limit, and you'll be able to use TikTok normally without restrictions. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off the daily screen time limit on TikTok.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.